This is 7 National News, and in our top story. The UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has affirmed that the UAE seeks to establish a strong academic environment and enhance its educational role in the region through attracting highly skilled academic professionals and talented students so as to achieve its goal to build a knowledge-based economy. The ruler of Dubai made this statement during his meeting with the top official at the QS World University Rankings, which have chosen the United Arab Emirates to launch its annual QS World University Rankings report of 2014-15. Present at the meeting were Dubai Crown Prince His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Dubai Deputy Ruler His Highness Sheikh Maktoum bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Minister of Higher Education and Scientific Research His Excellency Hamdan bin Mubarak Al Nahyan, and Cabinet Affairs Minister His Excellency Muhammad Abdullah Al Gurgawi. During the meeting, the ruler of Dubai and his guest discussed the results of this year's QS World University Rankings report, of which His Highness is the patron. The report ranks universities based on factors such as reputation, quality of faculty and student population, as well as other standard indicators such as quality, affordability and number of students and faculty attracted. The UAE was selected to launch the widely read University Comparison Report due to its distinctive academic environment, consisting of more than 70 universities, including a host of renowned international universities. His Highness General Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces, has received the visiting Georgian Prime Minister and his accompanying delegation at Musharraf Palace. The Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi conducted talks with the Georgian Prime Minister in an effort to bolster ties between the UAE and Georgia and discussed ways to enhance them in the best interest of the two countries. The two parties also exchanged views on the latest regional and international developments, as well as issues of mutual interest. During the meeting, His Highness and his guest also discussed avenues of cooperation and existing coordination between the two countries' institutions and authorities, and the importance of developing them in all economic, investment, trade, social and educational fields. On his part, Georgia's Prime Minister expressed his pleasure at visiting the UAE in the light of the growing cooperation in the number of economic investment and trade fields, hailing the progress being witnessed by the UAE, which has gained the country increased stature both internationally and regionally. The Roads and Transport Authority has announced the opening of Asayel Road, linking Oud Metha with the Business Bay through a number of tunnels and bridges constructed at Zabil and the Business Bay districts. The project, which extends 5 kilometers in total and was built at a cost of 300 million dirhams, is one of the key phases of the Parallel Roads project, which extends from the Sheikh Rashid Road in the north up to the outskirts of Abu Dhabi to the south. The project comprises of 2 tunnels, each with 3 lanes in each direction. The first tunnel branches from the Zabil Road 2 and extends 850 meters, and the second tunnel branches from the Trade Center Road and extends 600 meters. 2 bridges of 2 lanes in each direction have also been constructed at the Business Bay, extending 700 meters, with the project allowing for free access to the Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa through Ima Boulevard. According to a press release from the RTA, Asayel Road will eventually link with the Sheikh Rashid bin Said crossing through a bridge crossing over Oud Metha to link Dubai with the lagoons Al Warga and the international city. People suffering from chronic disease will not be allowed to drive in the UAE, according to local reports quoting the Ministry of Interior. The new ruling, to be introduced in the future, aims to reduce traffic accidents caused by drivers whose ability to drive is impaired by a chronic disease. Brigadier Ghaith Hassan Azabi, the Director General of the Traffic Coordination Department at the Ministry of Interior, stated that medical facilities in the UAE will be linked to the departments of traffic and licenses across the country, which will allow sharing of the medical reports of all drivers so authorities can monitor motorists' health. Based on these reports, the Ministry will have the ability to suspend any driver's license, either permanently or temporarily, which will be based on a doctor's recommendation. Diseases that could require withdrawal of driving licenses include epilepsy, Parkinson's, kidney failure and sudden acute bouts of diabetes. Stroke patients and those who have undergone brain surgery or are suffering with cardiac diseases, severe depression or weak eyesight may require a temporary cancellation of the driving license. Brigadier Azabi said a joint working group made up of officials from the Ministry of Health, Interior, Dubai RTA, Dubai Health Authority and Abu Dhabi Health Authority will determine which chronic diseases could be too dangerous for driving. Dubai Municipality launched a new initiative in line with Dubai's vision to be one of the top 10 happiest cities in the world. #Happy Dubai aims to provide everyone the opportunity to express their happiness about the services rendered by the civic body, according to the Director General of Dubai Municipality, His Excellency Engineer Hossein Nasser Lutha. He says their goal is to spread happiness among the population of the United Arab Emirates and by 2021 see Dubai ranked among the top 10 happiest cities worldwide. At present, the UAE ranks 14th in the Happiness Index set by the Global Initiative of the United Nations, while Dubai was among the best 6 cities in holding festivals and events. Dubai Municipality says they are committed to ensure sustainable happiness of citizens, residents and visitors through their services, which include the provision of public parks, beaches and public facilities, waste management services and quality control of food distributed in the city. And the Dubai International Film Festival has announced that registration for the 11th edition of the festival is now open for media, industry professionals and students, with this year's edition set to run from 10th of December to the 17th. The Dubai International Film Festival celebrates the best of Arab and international cinema each year, with red carpet premieres, daily gala screenings, a variety of community and family-oriented events, industry workshops and informative panel discussions. According to the organisers, this year's programme will be carefully curated to comprise a mix of enlightening documentaries, inspiring independent films, the best in children's cinema, crowd-pleasing blockbusters and standout Emirati and Arab films. Attended by over 1,800 industry delegates from 81 countries last year, the film festival offers a series of engaging and educational workshops and panel discussions, with special talks that are open to students, the media and the public. Each year, the Dubai International Film Festival also provides over 700 students and residents who are passionate about the cinema industry with an unrivaled opportunity to be part of the festival through volunteering their services. And finally, in the bulletin, the Media Rotana in Dubai is bringing a slice of Italy to the hotel in the form of Chef Pasqualino Barbasso, who is there to show off his exciting pizza acrobatics show, which has become a must-see event whenever Chef Barbasso is hosting. Preparing his authentic Sicilian-style homemade pizzas, Chef Pasqualino started his career in his family's pizzeria in Camerata, Sicily, where he is based when not touring. Pasqualino has won a slew of awards, including Sicily's Acrobatic Pizza Championship in 1998, and has been crowned world champion for 2 years in succession. Having travelled the world, dazzling pizza lovers of all ages, Chef Barbasso will be appearing at Prego's Italian at the Media Rotana until the 20th this month, and according to the pizza acrobat, diners will be served with a feast for the eyes as well as for the stomach.
Thanks to my job, I've been going around the world and seen a lot of places full of Italian restaurants. But I can say Dubai is the best at now, because there are the real Italian food, the real Italian tastes. In other countries, sometimes it's possible to find an Italian fake. It's not good for our food, our popularity. I'm in the business of the restaurants about 15 years. I have my own pizzeria in Sicily, and I'm famous for my pizza. What to say to all the chefs? Work with passion, without compromise for the quality and not for the quantity.